Are you ready for a walk? Harvey? Walk! Whoa! Yes, he's ready.
Presbyterian. She's even smaller.
Harvey, are you excited? We've arrived at our destination. Pretty. A froggo and a turt. Oh no! Closed. That's unfortunate. There's still a hiking path. Cute. A tiny free library. We love those. And what's that over there? What that? Silver Lake Insect Hotel. I don't know if they have any residents, but that's neat. What's all that? I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder. Oh, who did that? Bad. It's like we're on a boardwalk, but I don't think there's actually water. Ooh. What the hell? God, this is kind of scary. Mud. Okay. Get out of me, swamp. Oh, another boardwalk thing. That looks like a good place to do a little performance. Are you gonna get up there and sing, Jay? Oh, bonfire pit, I think. Is it? What's over here? I love a little path. Oh, look at all this firewood. Think of all the bugs that are in here.
I mean, I can see if you call them out.
Disgusting. Alright, tiny pond.
It probably feels like if they would have eaten it, it would have been different. Injected it. Why are people eating butterflies, though?
That's nice.
like these trees, the ones that like, for some reason shift towards the water.
They're nice. Back to the car.